By the way, I don't trust people who pronounce the W's in front of things like which or white. If you do that, unsubscribe.
You're losing people, right?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are in Tulum today. We just dropped our friends off at the beach and we are headed to TATA Tulum to spend the day. It's a very beautiful hotel. They are right on the water and I'm really excited to see what TATA Tulum has to offer. Guys, we're here. We're at TATA Tulum. I am so excited to explore this place. Right off the bat, first impression, it looks like somebody took a lot of time and detail into making this a really beautiful, like natural looking space. Isn't it nice?
It's just like your hair.
You like my hair?
And yeah, people gonna say something about our glasses because I feel like I wore some in the Dominican Republic. We call them the Bad Bunnies.
Bad Bunny, baby. Bad Bunny is a Puerto Rican artist who raps about some of the most enjoyable, pleasures of life.
Dude, this place is crazy.
We like him. It's hype.
Holy crap.
It's beautiful. But thank you for saying that you like my hair. I've been trying to rock a more natural beauty look. My curls used to curl a lot nicer, but I'm on a curly hair journey now, so if any of you guys have curly hair and actually know what to do with it, comment down below and let me know what I need to do.
We both got curly hair.
We both have curly. You have curly hair, but I feel like you just embrace your curls because you don't straighten them. He wants to dye his hair platinum blonde. Leave me a thumbs up if you think he should dye his hair platinum blonde.
Dude,
if we get more than...
Yeah, if we get more than whatever we have
then
on...
700 thumbs up. Because on the last Boca Marina video, one of my videos is doing really well.
This video ever gets more than...
It's got over 380,000 views. I can't... I'm still... It's so surreal to me right now. Platinum blonde is blonde. It's like white. White. By the way, I don't trust people who pronounce the W's in front of things like which or white. If you do that, unsubscribe.
Mary, you're losing people, right?
Let's show you guys. Okay, current situation under, how do you say esa paja in inglés? ¿Cómo se dice eso?
That could mean various things.
Under a little, what?
Nothing.
Double entendre. It's like under a little glass, under a little grass hut rooftop thing. It's grass, it's dried grass, right? I can smell the ocean. I can taste the salt in the air. I can't wait to order a coconut. Somebody on one of my last videos in Dominican Republic, I was drinking a coconut, as I tend to do because I love coconut water, and someone was like, haha, you're drinking a laxative. For your information, person that said that, it takes a lot of coconut water to make it
You're just gonna
a
attack
laxative.
people on your...
Fun fact about me, I like drinking laxatives. Banging B-roll coming right up. We should both coordinate like a sunglass thing. Guys, I honestly don't think I've ever been on a beach this long without putting my swimsuit on. We were getting really beautiful footage of the entire resort. I'm probably gonna go grab a drink or a coconut water or something. I just got a huge water. View is spectacular. It just cracks me up, you know, when I'm hanging out with Junior, especially on vacation, because you know, at home you kind of like get to grocery shop for yourself. I feel like Junior and I are so different when it comes to taste. I feel like I like really citrusy, tart, lemony. For example, I love lemon, like key lime pie, like a good key lime pie, like lemony desserts. Don't get me wrong, chocolate, I'm a chocolate monster. But when it comes to our palates, we differ a lot on our palates. Drink-wise, or like he likes smoky, but I'm like very, like give me a mojito because it's tarty and lemony. Anything like grapefruit or orange. I love that kind of stuff. I'm not that well versed in the world of drinks, but I know what I like. I'm gonna prove it to you guys how much we differ on our taste. I'm sure throughout the day, even like with food, you'll be able to tell.
Tequila. Tenemos mucho tequila.
A mí me
mezcal.
gusta, a él no.
Aquí a los mexicanos nos encanta el tequila.
Sí.
¿El tequila es originalmente de México?
Sí, originalmente de México. Del 100% de agaves que existen en todo el mundo, México cuenta con el 80%. El más usado para el tequila es el agave azul.
Let's cheers for a good vlogging day.
No, have a better cheers. May our worst days be like this.
Hell yeah. So we're not so different, huh? Getting the same mojito, but you get passion fruit.
It is because I am so passionate. Don't you think?
Yeah, maracuya,
I'm
right?
sassy. Before I eat, I get sassy. Oh, look at that view. Have you guys ever been somewhere where you're sitting there and you're taking in the view, but then you're trying to catch every single detail?
So hard
because you don't see this often. I live in Michigan.
I'm trying so hard.
I know, to just take it all in and keep it.
Because right now the weather in Michigan is snowing.
I know. Every time I have a vlog, I'm like, I'm so happy to be here, wherever that here is, because in Michigan it snowed like 6 inches today.
Oh,
I mean, Michigan is so incredibly beautiful in this, you know, all 4 seasons. I mean, that's the full package, but we need to do a lot more vlogging. My friend Shirley does this face. We need to do a lot more vlogging in Michigan too. So I'm going through this menu and they have like 4 or 5 vegan options on every single page. They have tacos, they have vegan ceviche. I ordered guac, I ordered tacos. My tacos have mushrooms, artichokes, beets, zucchini, beans, and avocado. I'm in heaven. I haven't had vegan tacos while I've been here this whole time. So even their soups, they have amazing salads and their tostadas, and they have really good entrees that are vegan too. So I'm gonna just like bank out on all the food that we ordered. We're gonna spend the rest of our afternoon just lounging around and relaxing here. It's really nice because the bar is to my right, super close, the restaurant's right here, and then all of the little grass, little hot umbrellas are on the beach or right in front of me. Everything's within proximity, and then behind me, as you guys can see, are their beautiful villas. Just gonna hang out for the rest of the evening, eat a little bit, enjoy a little bit of sun because I need to get some, and tomorrow we'll be up bright and early for sunrise to get some great footage at a place that's a surprise. We'll catch you guys tomorrow.